Today we're building a modern Accordion UI using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. No frameworks, just clean code. A smooth modern Accordion with animations, hover effects, and clean design. It's perfect for FAQs or landing pages. Let's start with the HTML structure. We create a container called Accordion, and inside we place individual Accordion items. This is our main wrapper. Everything goes inside here. Each item represents one collapsible section. This is the clickable header. When user clicks it, the content below will open or close. The plus icon will later change to minus using JavaScript. This is the hidden content. By default, it will be collapsed. To better demonstrate how the Accordion works, I'll add 2 more collapsible items inside our Accordion container. Now let's style the Accordion using CSS. We'll give it a modern dark look, add a glass effect, and create smooth animations. We start with a dark background and center everything on the page. Now let's set the width of our component. Next, we'll add styles for the Accordion item. This creates the glass morphism effect. It uses a semi-transparent background with blur. That's what gives the Accordion a modern UI look. At this stage, we're styling the Accordion header. This makes the header look like a clean, clickable button. And finally, we style the Accordion content. Here we hide the content by default using max height 0. We will animate this later with JavaScript. Now we make it interactive. This is where the Accordion comes alive. We select all Accordion items so we can control them. We go through each Accordion item one by one. We grab the header, content, and icon inside each item. Now we listen for clicks on the header. Before opening anything, we check if this Accordion item is already active. This gives us a true or false value, so we know whether the clicked section is currently open. This ensures only one section is open at a time. We close everything first. If the item wasn't already open, we activate it now. So this block of code opens the clicked item and animates it using scroll height. It also changes the icon from plus to minus. And that's it. We just built a modern Accordion UI from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Clean, reusable, and perfect for real websites.